How to delete or deactivate your 1xBet account. First of all, open the 1xBet app and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the menu tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings in the top right corner. Inside Settings, you will only see an option to log out but not to deactivate or delete your account. To delete or deactivate your account, go to Contact Support within the app. There, you can reach customer support through chat or email and request account deletion or deactivation. Make sure to provide necessary details like your username, registered email, and a clear request to close your account. If you have any balance left in your account, withdraw it before making the deletion request, because once your account is deleted, you will lose access to your funds. Lastly, confirm your request by following any verification steps provided by the support team, such as responding to an email or entering a code. And that's it. Now you know how to delete or deactivate your 1xBet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.